She's like, nope. Come on, Bubba, you gotta go pee-pee. Oh. Come on, let's go. Gotta go. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Come on, go. Good girl. Good girl. Okay. So we are expecting a proper Newfoundland blizzard tonight, tomorrow. Gonna do the dog walking spin-a-rooney. So it started, it's, oh gosh, I can't remember what time, 22, 28. It started a couple hours ago, I guess. It's just as light flurries it started, and then just started blowing. So we are expecting between 30 and 40 centimeters, which is 12 to 16 inches, and winds up to about 110 kilometers per hour, which is about 60 to 65 or 70 miles per hour. And it's not that bad yet, but it is it's pretty windy. She's not happy. Look at her, she's covered in snow already. Come on, we're just going around the block. Come on. Good girl. She's like, nope, I don't like this. Come on. Don't like this. Come on. Come on, we're just going up this way. Oh yeah, the wind. I mean, it's not very strong right now, but it's blowing. It's blowing the snow right in my face. And it's a nice kind of, it's a little bit sticky snow, but it's kind of fluffy too. And okay, we're getting under a street lamp now. And I don't have to work tomorrow because they've cut my hours again. I actually have 4 days off, so I don't have to go to work. I don't have to. I won't have to shovel snow until it's like actually finished. And she's going poop, so I'll catch you in a minute. Yep, she's not impressed. This will be, well, we've had snow already, and we've had wind storms, but we have not had snow and wind all together. So, and this will be Cindy Lou's first blizzard ever. Neighbors out working on their car at this time of night in a snowstorm, doing an oil change. Yeah. Cindy Lou was like, what are you doing? What are you doing? So already, I guess there's a couple of centimeters just in a couple hours. And they're saying overnight could be like 5 centimeters per hour or something. Okay, Bubba Lou, settle down. There's ice under this snow. The past week we've had snow and then thaw, and snow and then thaw, and then snow and then rain. So underneath the snow right now is just ice. Poop in there. Yeah. So I will catch you in the morning and let you know what happens. Let's move this snow so it doesn't come in the house. Move. Beep, beep, beep. Okay. She does not like this. Okay, wait. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Okay, come on, we gotta go pee-pees. Come on, we gotta... Come on, go, go, go. Good girl, good girl. Oh, jeez. Look. Wow, look at the drifts. It's right up over the retaining wall. I'm almost up to my knees. Yep, up to my knees. Come on, you can do. You can do. Come on, I will plow. I will plow. Come on. Come on. Come on. You need to pee-pee. There might be less on the road. Come on. Come on. I plow. Good girl. There we go. Oops. Oh, this is going to be fun. Look at all this. Right. Oh, jeez. Okay, so one plow has been by already, apparently. Snowdrift here at the car is bigger than Cindy Lou. Come on, Bubba. Come on. Look at that. I just plowed through that. Come on. Come on, we gotta go. Come on. Good girl. I will plow. Come on. Come on. Oh, you can do it. You can do it. Come on. I'm up to my knees plowing through this. Okay. And I'm gonna have to shovel this later. Oh my goodness. Okay, maybe you can just pee on the road here. Oh my, oh, and actually, no, it's not been plowed. Someone just drove through this. Glad I'm not going to work today. Oh, look at that. Oh, good girl. Okay, there's a plow coming now. Look at that, how it's blowing. So I don't know, I can't tell, but I don't know if it's actually snowing right now or if it's blowing. She's like, I want to go back in the house. It's as tall as her. Oh my goodness. Okay. Oh, swirly snow. I don't want this toe inside the house, Papa. He's plowing me in. Oh goodness. I don't think I'm gonna get any shoveling done today, actually. Not with that wind. Please don't back up into my car. It's gotta be hard. Like, that snow is nearly a foot deep on the road, even with that big truck. Oh shit. I don't know if you can see the huge snowbank that he's just, I don't know, leaving there on the road. Chocolate chips and blueberry pancakes for the snow day. I'll need lots of energy for shoveling all that snow. And here's the big plow going by, and look at that fucking snowbank at the end of my driveway now. That's gonna be a bitch to move, and it's so windy right now. Like, I don't know if you can tell how windy it is. That there's no way I can come out here and move snow. Hey, buddy. He's got to try and move that snowbank that the last guy. Holy jumping! Look at that. So what they usually do is they come up this way and then they go up the hill and then they come back down. So I'm gonna be doubly blocked in. Like that snowbank is probably gonna come right up to my car. I'm doomed. I may not ever get out of my driveway until it melts. So she doesn't have as much to move now. Jeez. Maybe I should have bought that house up there. Oh my gosh. Came really close to Sandy's fence. Okay, the wind is supposed to keep up. Oh, geez. Until 6:30 tonight. I'm gonna have to shovel some before then. 6:30 it'll be dark out. Here it comes again. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. This is our poo bucket. I usually keep it there by the door, but it blew away over here. There's not as much snow back here. There's drifting, but so I'll put this inside. Hi, Papas. Hi, Papa. Okay, this battery's almost dying already because it's cold out, but I've got this done so far. Still have one dead battery already. It was at 39% and it said battery dead. Bye-bye. I really don't like this GoPro. Anyway, so I got the dog outside now because I got this cleared. But I have to do the end of the driveway. And it's not easy because, well, it's not very light snow. It's not heavy, but it's not very light snow. And there's just so damn much of it. I just need to get my glove back on. Let's see how big this snowdrift is, or snowbank is. It's big. It's very, very big. It's as tall as Sandy's fence. I saw Albert up there a minute ago shoveling off his deck. Okay, so oh oh no. Oh no. Oh, I can't get over it. It's too okay. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay. There we go. There we go. Okay, that's how big the snowbank is. Oh, look at the snowdrift on that side of the car. It's as high as the wheel wells anyway. So I also have to dig out my garbage bin. I need a new garbage bin, but I'll have to dig that out so that they can come get my garbage on Friday. I wish it wasn't still windy, but I do need to get this started. There's my little boo. My little Cindy Lou boo. Okay, so I got a pathway shoveled out at the end of the driveway so the dog can get out. Albert's up there blowing his snow because he's got a machine. Let's go this way, Bubba. You want to go see Albert? Okay. She wants to go see Albert. Wind is crazy. She did her poo and she's like, I'm going in the house now. I'm going in the house. cheeks are wearing off. That was 26 minutes just about for me to clear that snowbank. And there. Whew. This is all the work I did. I still need to clear it in front of my garbage can. Whew. That's a lot of work. Albert's still up there and he's throwing all his snow into my yard. That's so nice of them. Anyway, catch you in a bit. Heavy sigh. Okay, I'm all done. Oh, and I'm tired. That was a lot of snow. I can't get my car open. It's frozen again. That's the second time. I don't have to be anywhere till Thursday, so I might just wait for it to defrost on its own, or I don't know. Anyway, I'm gonna make myself a cup of tea and sit on my heating pad because my bum is cold. Thanks for watching. Catch you later.